Welcome to Chemistry Concept. Let's discuss about conjugate acid base pair theory, which was given by Bronsted and Lowry. Then the two scientists collectively proposed a theory, according to which anything is an acid if it can donate a proton. On the other hand, anything is base if it can accept a proton. So proton donor is an acid, proton acceptor is a base. Okay. So anything, let's say A, if it accepts a proton, it acts as a base, and after accepting proton, it gets converted into conjugate acid. Fine. And if the base is strong, its conjugate acid would be weak, and if the base is a weak base, its conjugate acid would be a stronger one, a strong acid. Similarly, if a substance let's say this time pH, it can donate a proton. If it donates a proton, it behaves as an acid, and after donating the proton, it gets converted into its conjugate base. And if the acid is strong, its conjugate base would be weak, and if the acid is weak, its conjugate base would be strong. Fine. So there is a trick. Just remember, let's say I have water and I'm asked to write down the conjugate acid of water. So if I want to know the conjugate acid, that means water must behave as a base. That means it must release a proton. So after releasing proton, it will become OH negative. So this is OH negative is conjugate base of water. And if I add a proton, if it accepts a proton, it will convert into H3O positive, which is conjugate acid of water. So if we add proton into something, it gets converted into conjugate acid. If we remove proton from something, it gets converted into conjugate base. Fine. Similarly, now you can easily tell me that what is conjugate base of H2SO4? Yes, it is HSO4 negative. This is an acid and this is the conjugate base of this acid. And because sulfuric acid is a strong acid, its conjugate base is a weaker one. Stay tuned for more videos of chemistry and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any feedback, please give us in the comment section. Thank you.